Hi guys, it's Megan from Redcliff Library, and today we're going to be making ice cream in a bag. So for this you're going to need a lot of salt, about half of a large Ziploc bag of ice, vanilla, which you're going to need a teaspoon and a half of vanilla, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1 cup of half and half. Or you can use, I think it's like half a cup of cream and half a cup of just whole milk or something. You can Google it. I read something, you can use like lots of different things for substitutes. So we're going to start by adding 1 cup of half and half. So take this. Ooh, don't spill. I filled mine right to the brim, so this might be a little bit difficult. Oops, yeah, I spilled already. Ooh. Okay, we'll just make sure you have something on the table if you make a mess. Because making messes isn't really that big of a deal as long as you can clean it up. And then you're going to need a tablespoon of sugar, which this is already pre-measured, so this is just a tablespoon. Add that in. And a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract. Stay still. So, I'm going to try not. I suck at pouring these. Oh, I did it good. There we go. I did 2 teaspoons, but just because I'm bad at pouring. So then you're going to try, oopsies, seal it and get as much as the arrow as you can. Like that. And then set that aside, and you're going to take your bag of ice. And the recipe that I have says a 1/4 cup of ice, but when I first tried it, I put like a lot in, like more than a cup probably. So I'm just going to start with like, where is it? Oh, it's right here. I'm just going to start with half a cup, and then as I go on mixing, if I need to add more, then I will. So yeah, if you feel like it's not freezing and doing what it's supposed to be doing, then that's fine. You can just add as much as you want. I'm making a mess. Okay. So I'm going to add another 1/4 cup. Okay, just ignore me making a mess. I'm not good at this. So then you want to put your half and half and vanilla mixture in here. And then you're going to take oven gloves or regular gloves. I just have a bunch of tea towels. You're going to wrap this up in the tea towels and mix it. And it takes a while. So like my recipe says about 6 minutes. I found it took like 10 to 15 minutes, but I did keep taking it out to check it because I hadn't done it before that. So I'm going to do that for a while, and then I will come back and I will tell you how it goes. Okay, I am back. So it took about 15 minutes, give or take a little bit. I didn't really time it. So once you're done and you think your ice cream is good, you take it out, check it, and then you need to rinse the bag off really, really good, because you can get salt like in the gap or like where the seal is. That's what I'm trying to say. Which would make salty ice cream, and I've done that before and it's really gross. So you take it out, you rinse it really good, and then I found it can be like kind of icy or like really chunky. So you just want to open it up. Oh, this looks good. And stir it around a bit. Make sure it's not too melty, and then you can eat it. So I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's good. It tastes like, it's different from store-bought ice cream, but then again, that probably also has like a bunch of other things in it. So that worked pretty good. I used a lot of salt, and I added a little bit more ice. So it's just kind of, if you notice it's not working very good, add more salt, add more ice. It's just, it can be maybe it's the type of sugar you used, or even the type of salt maybe. A lot of things can affect it probably. So, yeah, so have fun making your ice cream, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!